Good morning, afternoon. Now we get to create. We're going to start from Office 365 and we're going to go into a Word document. So you find Word in your list, which may look a little different than mine, and then you click on the Word box. And since we're creating something new, we're going to start with a new blank document and click that. And then you just start typing. My name is blank and I want to learn blank in science this year. It really doesn't matter what your message is to me, as long as you let me know something that you'd be interested in learning. The next thing you need to do is make your document in a way that you can find what it is later. You see this document 3 right here? In a week, you won't remember which thing document 3 was. So if you change the name of the document, you'll be able to find it when you're trying to submit it or when you need to finish it. So you click where it says document 3 and it gives you this lovely drop-down box. And this format we would like you to use for your documents and your presentations is your period number and your last name and your first name and the topic. That way you can find what you're looking for later and we know what it is you've sent us as well. And to get that new title to save, you just hit enter. And notice right here, you have the new topic name. Then when you're looking in your files, you can find what it is. Your next step is going to be to insert a picture. So you want the picture to insert where you're going to have your cursor. Our cursor is at the end of this sentence. So if I leave my cursor right here, the picture is going to insert right after the sentence. If I enter one, then my picture will insert underneath of my sentence. So we go up here to this Insert tab and we click it. And then we find where it says Picture and click that. And then we have two choices, from device or from Bing. From device means there's a picture on your phone or on your computer that you're going to be adding to your document. And from Bing means you're going to use the Bing search engine to find a picture that you want to add. So we're going to do from device first. It says browse. That means you need to find the picture that you're looking for. And mine is in my pictures area, and I'm going to pick the tree. And it shows the file name here, and then insert. And I now have a picture of a tree. I can also resize my tree by dragging, click and drag on any of the little white bubbles that are around the tree. When I'm finished manipulating my tree, I click next to it and those bubbles go away and my tree is where I want it to be. And my cursor is down here. So I'm going to put my cursor down another row again, and we'll go back to Insert and Picture, and we're going to do from Bing this time, so it's going to search. And I am going to search for a picture of a lion. Notice this Creative Commons only. This means that every picture you find in this list is allowed to be used without any copyright problems. So you always want to keep that box checked because you always want to use Creative Commons only. And I think this is a nice picture of a lion. And I click on the picture of the lion and then I click Insert. And it shows up in my document. And I can resize my lion as well. And then click next to it. And I see my cursor down here again. And I enter so that I can move on to the next task that I need to do.